guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a brand new video for you guys, which is the long-awaited plastic surgery Q&A video. I'm having ulcer in my tongue, so I can't really speak well. If not, I will bite my tongue accidentally when I speak. And thank you so much for leaving me so many comments that I don't know which one to choose. I already sorting out a few questions, which is very popular among you guys, and the frequent question that always asked by you guys. So let's move into the question. Okay. The first question is why you want to have this surgery. To be honest, that I'm very happy with my outlook, but just that I do not really satisfied with my nose, because whenever I record a video, I feel my upper nose is really annoying. No matter how hard I try to stay balanced, looking downwards a little bit in my video, unfortunately the outcome is not really satisfying because my upper nose is like really serious, and you can see this footage on my 50 facts about me. After the surgery, I feel that I really satisfied with the result because I no longer have any upper nose anymore, and I'm really happy with it. Number 2, what did you do in this surgery? A lot of people thought that I do jawline surgery, I do eyelid surgery and stuff, but no, I just only did rhinoplasty surgery, which is the nose job. Nose job do actually have 2 types. One is the basic nose job, and second one is the nose job that I did. The first nose job is the basic nose job, which is enhance your nose bridge to become higher, and define nose tip, which is you will have like more defined nose tip like mine now, and higher nose bridge. I'm doing the basic nose job, and another one is the alar base reduction. Means that I did reduce my alar base, because my alar base, which is here, this part, my alar base is like more wider. I reduced my alar base become smaller because my upper nose is really serious. If you guys have any bump in your nose bridge that you would like to reduce, it is not concluded as basic nose job. Means that you need to add extra charges for your nose job. Just like I did my nose job, you need extra charges for extra changes of your nose. Yeah. Third question is how long it takes to recovery. To be honest, that if you watch my video for part 1 until part 3, you will notice that after 3 months I do really have like dramatic changes, because my nose bridge is getting like slimmer and more defined, and my alar base is like getting more smaller and smaller after 3 months. But actually the result is depends on individually, because doctor advised us that the best result shows is 3 to 6 months, or some people may take up to 1 year. Because doctor says that the dissolvable stitches will be dropping off after 1 month, but in my case is no. My case like only drop off like after 2 months, nearly 3 months. So I feel that it really depends on individually how is your healing progress. There's a lot of factors. So mine is like 3 months onwards, and I can see the dramatic result. But I do want to share with you guys a little bit of my personal story, that I do have a little bit anxious and really feel depressing during the recovery stage. That time I still remember that my hair very gold, and I don't feel that my hair color suit me really well, because I do actually dye my hair into ash gray, but the color fades very fast. My nose is so swollen, and my hair color doesn't match my skin tone, makes me look so pale, and I really feel very sad, very depressed, and very anxious that I'm not willing to going out, hanging out with my friends. I don't really dare to look people into eyes, because my swollen doesn't go down. The result is not I want. The nose shape is not visible enough. There is a lot of factors that I overthink so much, because I couldn't see the result. So if you're having some thoughts like me, it's really normal, because I already overcome it. I know that maybe you have some comments saying that, oh, it's your choice to choose to have plastic surgery, and you're having this and you deserve it. Who asked you to go plastic surgery for your first choice? This and that. A lot of people say that plastic surgery is easy, but when the moment you have the courage and you're willing to step into the operation theatre or sitting down consult with the doctor, you will feel that the courage is really big than you ever thought. To you guys that you already have your surgery and you are in the recovery stage right now, if you're having the thoughts same like mine, don't worry, your result will be perfect, because everything takes time. There's people who will say that I miss your old face. No one know you really better than yourself, and you're already facing this kind of face or outlook for over like how many years since the day you're born. So don't really care what others think about. just get rid of the thoughts and be positive. See more videos that will make you happy and seek for advice that really helpful for you, and don't think a lot. Just let the time do their job, take away the swollen from your face, and you will be confident after the swollen go away. Number 4, how long do you need to stay in Korea? I'm talking about nose job. If nose job, maybe you just need to stay in Korea for 8 or 9 days. The procedure is when you touch down Korea and you directly check into the hotel, and the next thing you would like to do is consult the doctor. It depends on you yourself. You would like to have consultation with doctor today and have your surgery today, or you would like to have the surgery tomorrow. So it's up to you. And 7 days is the day that you remove stitches. So after you remove the stitches, maybe you would like to stay in Korea 1 more day to check out and see how is the stitches for this and that. So maybe you will be staying in Korea 1 more day, so 8 days. If you would like to extend your trip to visit some nice places, so maybe you can extend your trip more. And me and Chanel staying in Korea like for 3 weeks because she's having like jaw surgery. I'm not sure that jaw surgery you need to take how many days to stay in Korea. Maybe you can check out Chanel's channel because she'll be doing Q&A question too. Number 5, can you walk around during the recovery period? Yes. You need to walk a lot during the recovery stage because plastic surgery operation is not like other operation. You're having the common operation because of sickness. You need to stay on bed and heal the wound, and you need to sleep more, rest more, this and that. But for cosmetic surgery, plastic surgery, you need to walk a lot because you need to deswell your swellingness. I know that after surgery you'll be very tired and you'll be very scared. You don't want to go out with your swollen face and bandage over your face and people seeing you in a weird way, but there is a must to go out because only that you can only deswell. Hi baby! I'll be back. I haven't had my lunch yet. It's like nearly 4. Number 6. This is the most popular question. How much is the surgery cost? As I mentioned just now, there is 2 types of nose job. The first job is the basic rhinoplasty. It means that you only enhance your nose bridge and nose dip, and that cost is 5 million Korean won, including the treatment cost. Treatment cost, as you can see in my part 3 video, I having some facial treatment and some deswelling treatment, which is the cost is already included inside. So surgery cost and the treatment cost is 5 million Korean won. And for the second type of nose job that I did, the reduced alar base, and if you want to remove your bump of your nose, and that one you need to consult with the doctor. Everyone's nose job or rhinoplasty is different. Like mine, I want to reduce my alar base. Maybe some of you guys want to reduce the bump, want to just enhance your nose tip. So I'm just giving out the basic surgery costs for you guys. 7. Why ID Hospital and DocFinderKorea? I chose ID Hospital because I already know ID Hospital way back. They are very famous in one show, the Let Me In show. Transformation story of the patient. The transformation is really amazing, I can say. Maybe you can just check it out, ID Hospital, to know more. I feel that DocFinderKorea is, for me, if you would like me to choose again the service, yes, I would use DocFinderKorea service because I know that a lot of you guys are going solo to plastic surgery or having accompanied by your boyfriend or your family to Korea. But I would suggest that use DocFinderKorea service because in Korea, they do not provide the medication after you discharge from the hospital. You need to buy it from pharmacy. And it's really good that they already prepare the medical prescription for you with pictures, this and that. But the problem is, I believe that not all the pharmacies will explain details in English. So might be having some communication problems when it comes to how many tablets or how many times you need to take a medication. DocFinderKorea is really good because they help you to buy the medication, and Anna from DocFinder, she explained to me so well about the medication, how many hours should I take my medication, and very clearly to me. And plus, if you're having checking up in ID Hospital, DocFinderKorea will be your translator to translate everything for you, including what the doctor say directly in Korean to English to you, and etc. And the most important thing is, a lot of you also ask me that how could I survive without washing my hair for 1 week. You will need to find your own salon by yourself, and you may be using Waze or Google Map, but I bet that you can't really understand Korean because we try to understand the map. They don't have any like logo of grocery shop, just that maybe 7-Eleven, yes. So that they don't have any like signature location tell you that, oh, this is a salon. So you need someone to help you which is familiar to Korea. So you need to check it out, their website, to know more. So I want to have a break for answering all your questions because I want to tell you my story about infection after having plastic surgery, like almost like 3 months, and I'm completely fine now. Nothing serious happened to me. Actually, I come back from Korea around April. That period of time is the time of durian season, and I suspect that my nose infection caused because of I taking some durians, because durian is considered as heaty fruits, which is not encouraged to eat a lot, especially in this hot weather. I just only like take a few bits of durian, like only like 3 or 4, which is a very normal amount of durian for Malaysian, just a bit, not the whole durian. Yeah. And the next day when I woke up, I feel that there is water retention. I'll insert my picture here. As you can see in the picture, I have like water retention problem on my nose bridge area, which is really serious, I feel. And I'm like so panicked, and that time is like only like in the morning like 9 to 10 a.m. and I'm so freaking out. And I just text ID Hospital and DocFinderKorea about my nose, and they really concerned about it and asking that is that I have any infection symptoms. Having infection symptoms, which is having like reddish on the area, in fact, I do not have. Having itchiness around that area, I do not have. Having unusual bleeding, I do not have. Having like some weird smell coming out from nose and stuff, I do not have. And having like constantly pain on the area, I do not have. And this last one is having water retention feelings. Yes, I have. I only have 1 infection point, which means I have the probability getting infection. I'm really scared, and I just text them and they say that tell me to wait, and they consult with the doctor about my condition, and the doctor say that just wait for a day and see what happened the next day. But for me, I'm really scared, and you know, feeling of so scared and you do not know what to do and feeling like very helpless. So I decided to walk into my nearest hospital and consult with the plastic surgery surgeon in here. So I just want to ask them what happened to my infection. And doctor checked and said that I'm not sure what is the medical term. Simplified term is a delay swelling from my previous swell. It means that the swell delay and just swell after like 3 months. So which is really confusing. I don't really understand how is it caused because I asked the doctor and the doctor said that there is a lot of factors. So I was like, okay. So I just take my antibiotic medication. Take the medication and I just have it for 1 week for the antibiotics, and I'm completely alright because as you can see the picture that I insert here, from the 2nd day onwards, getting better and better. If I'm not mistaken, the swell goes off like the 3rd day after I have the antibiotic medication. So if you are having any symptoms like me or having the infection symptoms that I tell you guys earlier, please consult with the plastic surgery doctor. I feel that if you want to avoid infection happens after you having your plastic surgery during the recovery stage for 3 to 6 months, is do not eat like heaty fruits like durians for me, or eating some raw food like sashimi, raw oyster, this and that will cause like infection happens to you. Okay, so moving on to the next question. Question number 9. What kind of material on your nose bridge? The material of my nose bridge is actually silicone, and there's 2 types of shape of the nose bridge, which is L-shaped implant and I-shaped implant. And I'm using the I-shaped implant, and my nose tip, I'm using my ear cartilage. Question number 10. Why your face totally different after rhinoplasty? I know that there is a lot of people say that, oh, your face like looks so slimmer and like look totally different after you having your rhinoplasty. Maybe you just have your jaw surgery and you don't want to admit this and that. But to be honest, that I only did rhinoplasty surgery. Why could I lie to you guys if I did jaw surgery, right? The huge changes that I saw, that my eye is like in the normal way, but when after my rhinoplasty, it pulls the skin of my nose bridge to become higher. So I feel that my eye is like move nearer to each other. When the recovery period, I feel that my eye is really weird because I don't really used to it. I feel that slimmer nose bridge will make your face look really small, but I just only done rhinoplasty and it feels my face looks really smaller and defined than before. Okay, this is the last question. What should I do before going to plastic surgery? First advice, do lots of survey about the hospital or about the clinics or about the doctor. See the good reviews and see the bad reviews. There is a lot of review in the forum, so you can just check out the forum. What is the comment from the patient, most importantly, because you need to hear advice or take the advice from the people who had already done the plastic surgery, and find a good medical tourism agency. For me, it's DocFinder. For you, maybe it's others or etc. I'm not sure. So just be sure to find a good tourist medical agency. Most important, be mentally prepared and don't overthink of everything. If you already have the courage and you're already mentally prepared for everything, just do it. Just be positive. And whether you decided to tell anyone about your plastic surgery, and if you're like me, telling the whole world that you already have plastic surgery, please do not care what people talk about you. Maybe people will say about, oh, the result is not natural. Oh, the result is not perfect. Oh, the result is not suit you at all. I prefer your old faces. There is not much changes. This and that. I know. Just be mentally prepared for everything, that you have good comments and bad comments for your plastic surgery, because everyone's opinion is different. Everyone's thinking is different, so just bear it and get support from your family members and your friends. I really did receive a lot of love from my family, friends during the healing period in Korea. They just like FaceTime every day, tell me that everything is alright, everything will be perfect, no worry. Receiving call message from them and from you guys too. I know that a lot of you guys Snapchat me that the result will be okay, everything will be fine. I really thank you from my bottom of my heart, because I feel that the message is really warm. I just can say that sometimes you will have the times that you're not sure who you are, not sure that the decision is it right or wrong, but you guys like my stars in the dark of the night. You just light up my road and give me some courage, telling me you guys always be there for me. I really appreciate it so much, and I can't even describe how thankful am I to have you guys together with me in this journey. Okay, that's it for my plastic surgery Q&A video and some sharing of my nose infection story. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I do filming for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys made it to this far of the video, thank you so much, and I love you guys so much, and I can't really describe how much I love you guys. If you like this kind of video, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join our family. And I love you guys so much.